Hey, what's up guys? Today I have to organize all of my makeup. I have been putting this off and putting this off, and it's just gotten a little out of control. So what I'm gonna do is organize all the makeup that I have in PR that I'm keeping, and then I also need to go through my collection and get rid of like a lot of it. I'm going to donate some. I'll be doing giveaways. I'd like to actually do a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned to the end to see if I do that. But yeah, especially lips. Lips is very overwhelming. I have so many lipsticks and I literally only use like the same 5. So yeah, this is what it looks like right here. This is the lip collection. Is bad. It's very unorganized. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear all this out, throw some music over it, and just get to organizing. it's been a couple of hours. I'm still not done. Everything actually still needs to be like washed down and like taken out and all that, but this is the lip situation. I've got all of like the pretty stuff here. I put my magic cream up here. These two Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks and these two YSL ones are ones I wear all the time. And then up here is all of my favorite lip liners that I use all the time. They're all nude. And then these are other lip products that I really like, along with like a little pretty crystal. And then the rest of them are just whatever's pretty. So I put that in the front here so that it would look really nice. And then over here I made this look really pretty too. I have a lot of like one like product in each thing. So these are the new Laura Mercier lipsticks, the Hourglass like lipstick things, Makeup Geek, some YSL and Anastasia. These are all of the Anastasia liquid lipsticks, which I might actually go through this because I used to be a huge liquid lipstick person. I'm just not anymore. I'm really not into them. They're really drying, so I might end up going through this too and just taking out the neutrals basically and like the couple pops of color that I would like and then donating the rest because they're brand new. And I'm just keeping them because I always wanted them. And then when I got sent them, I just like coveted them. So, but I mean, other people can use them. So I don't know, probably come back to this. But then in this one is the new Patrick Ta Glow Oils, which I would like to stand them up somewhere, but this is actually really pretty, I think, when you see it from afar like that. So this is what I'm working with here. These are my Bare Minerals lip products that I use all the time. I'm obsessed with these lipsticks from Tarte. I don't necessarily need all of these colors, but they're gorgeous. And so then over here I have multiples of this YSL product. These lipsticks from Urban Decay I have multiples of. A couple of MAC. These are all of the collabs that they've done. So I've got those there. I have them separate from those MAC lipsticks just because they wouldn't all fit. So I put those here. The rest of my lip pencils, and then actually back behind this I have like lip crayons. And then in this drawer, what do I have here? I've got all of my lip glosses here, which I don't even wear a lot of lip gloss, and this is even like narrowed down 3 different times, so yeah. And then these are more liquid lipsticks, which it's crazy because I feel like my collection used to primarily be liquid lipsticks, and just over time I just got sick of them. So all of the ones here are either nudes, pinky nudes, or like pops of red and orange. So, and then I have some of my favorite drugstore lipsticks here, and then this collection here from L'Oreal. So I think this is really nice so far. I need to take that label off, but I really don't care. I'm actually thinking of switching stuff. So I have my highlighters in this drawer. It goes highlighters, bronzers, and then blushes. So my whole collection is here. Oh, let me shut that. This is where I film, and then my camera equipment's usually right here, so it's really tricky to get over here into this chest. And then over here, these top 2 drawers, I literally never use that much. It's just single eyeshadows, which I rarely grab for. And then I've got glitters, which I can't even remember the last time I used glitter. This drawer I do use. This right here is like my go-to stuff that I use all the time, and then this is stuff that like I want to use or whatever. These are eyeliners. I don't really use that. And then I have my lash drawer, which I haven't started organizing yet. And then it gets into my eyeshadow palettes. So I was thinking of swapping at least, let's see, maybe I could do like blushes, highlighters, bronzers. Yeah. What's this? This has got nothing in it right now. I think that would make the most sense. I mean, I always had the eye stuff here because then it was like all eyes on this side and then all face on that side. Let's just switch it over. It makes the most sense. Come on. Yeah, bitch, come on. these are all my inserts. By the way, these white ones are from Ikea. These clear ones are from At Home store. I never got the tags off because it was like impossible. Watch. I was gonna show you how impossible it was, and here I got it good. Nah. These are all my highlighters here. These are bronzers and stuff. And then these here are all of my blushes. Okay, so I just went ahead and switched everything. So blushes are first, then bronzers. Is that highlighters? Are you fucking kidding me? Well, I might rearrange these drawers. I don't know. But I just brought them over here. I think that makes the most sense. And then I have, these are all eyeshadow palettes that I either use all the time or I just got and I want to use soon. So I actually ordered these from Juvia's place. Well, I got them at Ulta. I didn't order them. Why did I say I ordered them? I picked them up from Ulta. And they were like a really good price and these like beautiful shades. And then this one came in from Too Faced that I'm excited to use. So I popped these ones up here because I'm excited to use them. Everything else is stuff that I've used a lot. And then in this drawer, it's just like palettes and what's it called? This is like the card for Jaclyn Hill's palette that I keep because they don't have names on the colors or whatever. But these are just ones that I don't use that often. So, and then I have my skincare drawer. And then this is like a random drawer. It's got like my fake nails, my stock up on makeup wipes. This is like a little hair towel. This is stuff to wash my brushes. This is a sleeping eye mask thing. So just some random stuff in there. I know I'm going out of order, but it is what it is. I'm not bending over anymore because I'm out of breath. These are like my primers and setting sprays. I need to go through this actually. I haven't gone through that yet. Damn it. Stop it. Okay, do I have two in here? What is this box? See, this is just an empty box. What are you doing? These are just like face palettes, like for blush and bronzer and stuff like that. These are like an overflow of foundations and concealers and sponges that I'm not using at the moment or don't match me currently. This is my foundation drawer of stuff that does match me right now. I haven't gone through the foundations yet, so yeah. So I think I'm gonna end this here just because this was such a hodgepodge of a makeup collection organization video and I'm still not done, but I will be back doing more of these and I can make it more organized if you guys want. Like if you like this kind of stuff, I know this is like a thing on YouTube, like watching people organize, and I guess I just like never understood it, but I personally watch them. So if you like this, let me know and I can do more of it because I feel like I am forever organizing this situation and I'm always donating stuff and always getting rid of stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know your requests. Let me know if you want to see like a dedicated video like for each category. Like the next time I have to do like foundations, I can just do like a foundation declutter instead of just like the whole thing, and then it won't be so confusing. So let me know, and I hope you guys liked this. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later. Bye. Don't go yet. I'm including the giveaway here at the end of this video. So there will be 5 winners in this giveaway and each of you will win one of them. What? Obviously. My mom and I organized it and tried to make it all a little bit even. So some might have a little bit more than others, but they're relatively very similar. It's a mixture of both high-end and drugstore. But it's just a thank you for subscribing and watching my videos. And I think anytime I do like a declutter organization thing with my makeup collection, I will include a giveaway because it only makes sense. The rules will be down below, but all you gotta do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram. I will post a picture right up here. Go ahead and comment and like that picture and tag one of your friends. Also in the comment section of this video, leave a comment down below with your Instagram handle. That way I can find you. I know some people don't like when giveaways are including Instagram, but just to be honest, like it is the easiest way to do it when it's only on YouTube. It is very, very, very complicated. So once YouTube makes it a little bit more simplified and easier to communicate and contact, then we'll do just YouTube only. But until then, like it has to be Instagram because it's so much easier. So yeah, just leave your handle down below in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. Like the picture and tag a friend in the comments on that picture. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.